7 powerful reasons to eat peanut butter daily. Did you know that the average American consumes over 7 pounds of peanut butter in a year? That's a testament to how much we all love this creamy, nutty delight. But what if I told you that beyond its delicious taste, peanut butter could actually provide some amazing health benefits when enjoyed daily? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of peanut butter to uncover 7 powerful reasons why you should consider making it a part of your daily diet. Whether you're a long-time peanut butter enthusiast or just curious about its potential, get ready to discover the amazing advantages of this versatile spread. From busting common myths to uncovering hidden nutritional powerhouses, we're about to embark on a delicious journey that will change the way you think about peanut butter forever. Let's address the elephant, or rather the jar of peanut butter in the room. Peanut butter is a beloved staple in many households, but it's also surrounded by a lot of misinformation. Many people shy away from daily consumption due to some common misconceptions. These myths can make it difficult to enjoy this tasty treat without feeling guilty or worried. One big concern is the calorie and fat content. While it's true peanut butter does have calories and fat, remember that these are primarily healthy fats, the unsaturated kind that your body needs. These fats are essential for brain function, hormone production, and overall health. Another worry is allergies. While peanut allergies are a serious concern, remember that they only affect a small percentage of the population. For those without allergies, peanut butter can be a safe and nutritious option. If you're not allergic, there's no need to deprive yourself. Enjoying peanut butter in moderation can be part of a healthy diet. Some people believe peanut butter is unhealthy because it's high in sugar. Not necessarily true. Look for natural peanut butter brands with no added sugar. These options provide all the benefits without the unnecessary additives. There's also the myth that peanut butter makes you gain weight. Actually, the protein and fiber in peanut butter can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management. When eaten in moderation, it can be a great addition to a balanced diet. So don't let these myths hold you back. Peanut butter, when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your day. Whether you spread it on toast, add it to smoothies, or enjoy it straight from the jar, peanut butter can be a versatile and healthy choice. Now let's talk about why peanut butter deserves a place in your daily diet. This creamy, delicious spread is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a powerhouse of nutrition that can benefit your health in numerous ways. First up, protein. Just 2 tablespoons pack a whopping 8 grams of protein, making it a great plant-based source to fuel your muscles and keep you feeling full. Whether you're an athlete looking to build muscle or just someone trying to stay satiated throughout the day, peanut butter has got you covered. And don't forget about those healthy fats we talked about. Peanut butter is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are good for your heart health and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. These fats are essential for maintaining healthy cell function and can even help reduce inflammation in the body. But wait, there's more. Peanut butter is also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. Magnesium is crucial for muscle and nerve function, while potassium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining healthy blood pressure, boosting your immune system, and supporting overall well-being. Incorporating peanut butter into your diet can contribute to a balanced and nutritious lifestyle, helping you feel your best every day. Need some fun facts to impress your friends? Did you know that it takes about 540 peanuts to make a 12-ounce jar of peanut butter? That's a lot of peanuts. This fascinating fact highlights the effort and resources that go into making this beloved spread. Looking for creative ways to incorporate peanut butter into your diet? Add a dollop to your morning oatmeal, giving it a creamy texture and a boost of protein and healthy fats. Blend it into a smoothie for a rich, nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with fruits and greens, making your smoothie not only delicious, but also more nutritious. Or use it as a dip for apple slices, creating a satisfying and healthy snack that's perfect for any time of the day. The possibilities are endless. From savory dishes to sweet treats, peanut butter can be a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. So, embrace the nutritional power of peanut butter and enjoy its delicious versatility in your meals and snacks. Chapter 3. Real people, real results. Don't just take my word for it, the proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the peanut butter. People all over are experiencing the amazing benefits of incorporating peanut butter into their daily routines. From athletes to busy parents, the love for peanut butter is universal. John, a marathon runner, shares, "I started having peanut butter on toast every morning for sustained energy, and it's made a huge difference in my performance. I feel more energized and ready to tackle my runs." Sarah, a busy mom, says, "Peanut butter is my go-to snack for keeping my energy levels up throughout the day. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Plus, my kids love it too. It's a win-win for the whole family. They get a tasty treat, and I get peace of mind knowing they're eating something nutritious." And it's not just anecdotal evidence. There's a growing body of scientific research backing up these claims. Research suggests that daily peanut butter consumption may have positive effects on heart health, blood sugar control, and even weight management. It's a small change that can lead to big results. One study found that people who ate peanuts or peanut butter regularly had a lower risk of developing heart disease. This is a significant finding considering heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Another study showed that consuming peanut butter with a meal can help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. This means fewer spikes and crashes, leading to more consistent energy levels throughout the day. And while more research is needed, some studies suggest that the protein and fiber in peanut butter can promote satiety and potentially aid in weight loss. Feeling full longer can help reduce overall calorie intake, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. So the evidence is mounting. The benefits of peanut butter are becoming more and more apparent with each new study. Adding peanut butter to your daily diet could lead to some incredible health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your heart health, or manage your weight, peanut butter might just be the delicious solution you've been searching for. Chapter 4. Peanut Power, your daily dose of deliciousness. Let's recap the amazing reasons why you should consider making peanut butter a daily ritual. First and foremost, it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support your overall well-being. We debunked common myths, proving that peanut butter can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet. Real people, just like you, are experiencing the incredible benefits of daily peanut butter consumption, from increased energy levels to improved heart health. And scientific research backs up these claims, suggesting that peanut butter can have positive effects on various aspects of your health. So, whether you're spreading it on toast, adding it to your smoothies, or enjoying it by the spoonful, make peanut butter your daily dose of deliciousness. Chapter 5. Join the peanut butter party. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to enjoy peanut butter? Share your most creative peanut butter recipes or fun peanut butter experiences in the comments below. And if you're as passionate about peanut butter as I am, I have another video you're going to love. Click here to discover even more amazing health benefits of this nutty wonder. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep on snacking. Outro peanut butter power! So there you have it, guys! Peanut butter isn't just delicious, it can be a powerful ally in your quest for a healthier and happier you. Remember, moderation is key with everything. But don't be afraid to enjoy a spoonful or two of this nutritional powerhouse every day. Your body will thank you. Now, I'm not saying peanut butter is a magical cure-all, but incorporating it into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, can definitely contribute to your overall well-being. As always, stay informed, make healthy choices, and keep on rocking.